Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify account on your mobile device. First, you'll want to download the free Shopify app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it up and tap the Sign Up button to start your journey. You'll then enter your email, create a secure password, and pick a unique name for your online store. Don't worry, you can always change your store name later if needed. Finally, provide some basic details about your business, like your location and what you plan to sell. Now that your basic account is set up, let's refine your store's details. Head over to the Settings section within the app. Here, you can input your full business address and contact information, ensuring customers can reach you. Next, it's crucial to configure your shipping zones and rates. You can offer free shipping or set specific prices for different regions. Finally, integrate your payment providers, like Shopify payments, to securely accept credit card payments from your customers. This step is vital for processing orders. With your store details in place, it's time to add your amazing products. Tap on the Products tab and select Add Product. You'll want to upload several high-quality images for each item and write compelling, clear descriptions that highlight their features. Remember to set your pricing, track inventory levels, and add any product variants like different sizes or colors. After that, explore the online store section to customize your store's theme, colors, and fonts, making it truly reflect your brand's unique style. You're almost ready to launch your mobile store. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review all your store settings, product listings, and shipping configurations. It's a great idea to test the entire checkout process yourself by placing a dummy order to ensure everything works smoothly. Once you're confident, select a Shopify subscription plan that aligns with your business size and sales volume. With your plan chosen, simply hit the Publish button, and your brand new mobile store will be live and ready to welcome customers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.